This is the Arctic Zone Ultra Lunchbox. It's gray and orange, so the design looks pretty nice. If you are into hiking or camping, or even just, going to work or going to school, this is a very nice lunchbox. So it has hooks on the outside, so if you want to put your shoulder strap, you can easily do that. It comes with the shoulder strap right here. It also comes with some containers where you can store your food. And one thing nice about this is it comes with 2 ice packs. You can just put those ice pack in the freezer, and it will keep your food fresh. And not only that, it is insulated, so your food can remain either hot or cold. And on the outside, it has like an extra pocket here where you can store your spoon or forks or knives. So this is a very nice lunchbox, and it is also affordable.